everyone, my name is Priya. Welcome back to Home Drugs. Next in our series of recycled Halloween decor items, we are going to make a pumpkin wreath from old egg cartons. Now you may ask how we are going to do that. Well, I am here to show you. So let's get started. For this DIY, I am using red and yellow color combination to create the orange of pumpkin, some brushes, a floral tape, a ring wreath, and a pair of scissors. And now the star of our show, an empty egg carton.